Happy morning, kids! I hope you are safe and fine at home. Today, what we are going to learn? Good habits to keep ourselves healthy. Okay, children, I think you remember what we have learned in the previous class. What we have learned? Yes, we have learned food to keep ourselves healthy. What are the foods? If we eat healthy food, we will be healthy. If we eat junk food, we will go ill and sick. Okay, children, I hope you ate only healthy food and you avoided junk foods. Okay, children. Okay, if we eat foods, healthy foods, we will be physically healthy. Physically healthy is enough? No, we have to healthy mentally. Okay, children, what we have to do to keep our mind healthy? If we do and learn good habits, we will be healthy mentally. Physical health and mental health keeps a complete girl or man. Now, what we are going to learn? Good habits. We are going to put a tick mark for the good habits and wrong for bad habits. Shall we find from these pictures? Okay, let's go. Okay, children, what is she doing? What are they doing? Is the grandmother and the granddaughter is standing and the granddaughter is helping the grandmother. Is this good habit? We should help others. We should help the older people for walking, for crossing. Okay, children, is this good habit? Shall we put tick or wrong? Yes, we have to give a tick mark. Okay, children. Next, what are they doing? What are they doing? Can you able to see? Yes, the receptionist is standing. The members and candidates are standing in a straight line. Can you able to see? They are standing in a straight line. They are not standing in a group. Is this good habit? Standing in straight line is a good habit. So, shall we give it tick? Okay, children. Okay. Next, what is she doing? What is she doing? She is helping her grandfather to walk. Is this good habit? Yes, helping the elder people is a good habit. Children, shall we give it tick? Next, what is he doing? What is this boy is doing? Yes, he is throwing the dust in the dustbin. Waste in the dustbin. Shall we throw the paper in the floor? No, we should not throw the papers and the waste in the floor. We should throw them in the dustbin. Is this good habit? Yes. Hereafter, if we have waste thing, where we have to put? In the dustbin. Shall we give it tick? Okay, children. Next, what is he doing? He is eating. He is eating. While eating, we should not speak. If we eat, we should not speak. Okay, children. Is he speaking? No, he is only eating. While eating, we should not speak. Okay, children. Shall we give him a tick? Okay, children. Okay, then what they are doing? They are walking in the road. They are walking in the normal road. No, they are walking in the zebra crossing only. You are able to see the zebra crossing in the road. The white lines are there, isn't it? Okay, children. If there is a red signal and they are crossing in the zebra crossing. Okay, children. Shall we give a tick? We should obey the traffic rules. Okay, children. Okay. I am going to give a tick. Then, what is she doing? She is brushing her teeth dish or if we want to split something, we should don't split in the sink. Okay, children? Shall we give her a tick? Okay, children. Next, what is he doing? What is he doing? He is standing and waiting for the signal. He is waiting for the signal to give a mark. Okay, children? If we want to go, we have, if there is green signal only, we have to go. Otherwise, we should wait for the signal. Shall we give him a tick? Okay, children. Next, what is he doing? Here is tearing the paper. We will tear from the note, isn't it? Hereafter, we should not tear from the notebooks. And we should not tear the paper. Okay, children, this is a bad habit we should not do hereafter. Okay, children. Next, what is he doing? He is hurting the animal. He is hurting the cat. He is hurting its tail. Is it? Can you able to see? We should not hurt animals. This is a bad habit. Okay, children. Helping and wishing our elder is a very good morning. We have to wish someone busy for the first time. We have to say good morning or happy morning. How are you? We have to ask and wish them good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Okay, children. Next, if they give something, what we have to tell? Thank you. We have to tell thank you. Okay, children. Next, if we done something wrong, we have to say them sorry. I did it wrongly. Sorry. Hereafter I won't do. You have to tell sorry. Okay, children. We have to tell good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We have to wish our elders and whomever we see for the first time. Children, then we have to tell thank you for everything they give to us, and we have to tell them sorry if we did something wrong. Okay, children, I hope you will follow this. Then we have to stand in line only. We should not go in a group manner. We have to stand in line. Next, we have to help the older people. Then we have to throw the dust in the dustbin only. Okay, children. Next, we should not speak while eating. I hope you will not speak while eating. Next, we have to obey the traffic rules. Next, we should not tear the paper. Next, we should split something from a mouth in the sink alone. We should not split in the garden or in the empty roads and in the floors. We have to split in the sink. Okay, children. Next, we have to obey the traffic rules. Then, we should not hurt the animals. I hope you will learn these good habits and stray away from the bad habits. If we are doing good things, we will be healthy mentally. Now we are going to learn some interesting activity. Shall we?
Okay, children. Now shall we do an interesting activity? Okay, children. Now what we have to do in our life and what we should not do in our life, we are going to learn. Okay, what the two kids are doing here? Yes, they are playing. We have to play in the ground. Now see here what the child is doing. She is playing. We have to play manually. We should not play by games. We should not play by games. This is a bad habit. We should not play by games. Okay, children, we have to reduce to watch TV and play games. We should only play and utilize our time in these physical activity. Okay, children, there is a thing that we have to learn something new each day, each and every day, we have to learn something new. We have to learn something new for each day. Here, see, he is learning how to swim. See here, he is learning how to draw. We have to learn something new and keep ourselves engaged in some other work. See here, he is beating the kid. We have to avoid this. We have to avoid beating others. We should not fight with others. This is a bad habit. We have to play outside and we have to learn something new is a good habit. We have to reduce to watch TV and using phone, and we should not beat others and fight with others. This is a bad habit. I hope you will play, avoid, learn and reduce the things I told you. Thank you, children.
I hope you understood good habits and stay away from the bad habits, and what are the things you have to learn, what are the things you have to avoid and reduce, and what are the things you have to do. I hope you will follow this in your life, and thank you, children. Now it's time for our home assignment. You have to complete the given PDF and send it in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, children. See you in the next class.